In today's video, we start off with a Bavarian breakfast in the van and later head into Berchtesgaden for some proper traditional German food.
I'm Charlene, this is Chris, and this is Holly. We've been exploring in our motorhome for over a year now, and it's been a wonderful ride so far.
Good morning, friends, and welcome back to a new video. We're still in Berchtesgaden and we've actually found some better park-ups than we did last week. And before we leave, we actually want to head into the town today. I know we mentioned last week that we're eating muesli every day, but that's going to change today because we're actually going to have a Bavarian breakfast in the van.
So, here we have some pork sausages. They're called bratwurst. And we're going to have these with this mustard sauce here. That smells really good. And I also bought 2 pretzels yesterday, but unfortunately I had mine yesterday because it was smelling so good. And yeah, I had it. I just had to take it.
So we've only got one left then.
Yeah, so we got only one left. And I think today it's not a diet day because we're gonna eat plenty of food.
Fantastic. Sounds like a good plan to me.
So let's cook these. These you can also grill them, but we're doing them like this.
Ah, okay. So dun actually means thin. So it's thin sausage, 69% pork, bacon, salt, spices. Yeah, so it's mainly pork. We've actually also got a pretzel, which is a very common thing that they have here in Germany for breakfast. We actually had 2, but there's only 1 left.
What Chris didn't know is that I also bought these. And this is another type of bread that they do here in Germany. It's called Laugenbrötchen. And they also come in another type, like a bread roll, you know?
Wow.
Yes, and I really love these. I prefer these than the pretzel, to be honest. They smell so good. Almost ready. Why are you doing it like that? That's not the way.
Yeah, I put a bit of butter on. These are really tasty. These are like soft pretzels and they taste much better with butter.
Aww. That's the English way. Not the German way.
Yes, so we're going to do English/Bavarian food. Where are those sausages? Oh, yeah. We actually love having these swivel seats here because we can just easily arrange ourselves around the table. Plenty of room. I think we could fit up to 7 people here, I think, yeah? One day we'll do a party.
So, what do you think?
Let's get started. The bread is amazing though. I've had, where is it? One of these.
Yeah, really
with
good.
a bit of butter, just perfect.
Yeah.
The pretzel I've had before. It's a bit stiff, this one, so maybe you made the right call eating it early. But I'm really looking forward to dig into these sausages.
Yeah. So, if you go to a restaurant, this is what you get as a breakfast in Germany.
Yeah. So let's try this sausage, yeah? This is what we've all been waiting for. Let's try the sauce. Wow, it's amazing. And it mixes really well with the sauce. I can see why they recommended us to do this.
I really love the mustard sauce because it's a bit sweet and it goes
Really well with
really
it.
well, yeah.
So I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I'm basically, so I've cut one of these rolls up, putting some butter on it. I'm going to put some mustard and then a sausage. So if there's any Germans watching,
They're not gonna like it.
they might not like this, but I don't care. So yeah, this German breakfast sandwich is really good.
In other countries, they have pancakes, a croissant, you know, and something small, but this is something big for me at least. It's a huge breakfast for me.
Well, it's the bread that really fills you up.
Yeah, the bread really fills you up as well. But it's really good. I love it. And the sausages, they don't taste like the normal hot dog sausage that we know, you know? It tastes very different. It's like there are herbs inside and...
Yeah. The pretzel is really good, really tasty, but if I had to choose, I prefer the other one, Laugenbrochen, because it's more soft and tasty. Maybe it's just the butter. Really good. We could have this every day now. No more muesli. Throw away the muesli, throw away the yogurt. We're going to have a Bavarian breakfast every morning.
Yeah, we've been here for a couple of weeks now, and this is our first time trying this sausage. It's really good.
I love it. Come on, Holly, your turn for breakfast.
Take it.
Slowly. So we've actually come into the town here at Berchtesgaden, and we found this parking lot quite central. It's a car parking lot, but we managed to park the motorhome in like 2 spaces, and we only paid €2, so that's very cheap, and that should serve us until tonight. And I think, if I read properly, we can even sleep here as well.
So there is this bakery here. We went inside and bought some more pretzels for tomorrow. So I saw a kite there, and I'm thinking that we should buy it. What do you think? No?
No, we've got too much rubbish in the van.
I haven't had one since I was a little girl. Let's buy it, babe.
So wherever we go, Charlene is always trying to buy stuff, and I keep telling her no. I'm not cruel, it's just we don't have space in the van.
These are so nice.
It's a Bavarian
Okay.
costume.
Shall we buy it for you? I think you look good in it. So now we found this traditional restaurant and we're going in. They have goulash soup. It's my favorite.
So we just come to this restaurant, it's got a lot of traditional meals. So we're trying to translate them to see what we're going to have. And while we're waiting, we're going to have a traditional local beer.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like beer. Yeah, it's very good though. Tastes like German beer.
For me, I got this beer. It's called Radler Hell. And let me taste it. It's very light beer. It is mixed with Sprite, which is good for me. I'm so looking forward for this meal because, as you know, we don't go out a lot. So this is very special for us. And I'm so hungry as well now.
And cheese noodles.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you.
So I went for Käse Spätzle. This is a traditional meal in South Germany. Basically, it's pasta tossed in cream and cheese. Let's try it. Smells delicious. Wow.
What's the verdict?
Perfect. And then there are these like caramelized onions on top of it, which makes it more delicious. Perfect. If you love pasta, you have to try this meal if you ever come to South Germany.
So I actually went for the roast pork. We've got a lot of roast pork here. 2 potato dumplings and some cabbage on the side. So this is, I think, one of the most common traditional Bavarian meals. Already feels very tender. Just gonna give it a quick taste. I forgot to mention, there's also this like sauce, gravy, which smells delicious. Wow.
Love it. What about the dumplings?
I'm gonna try them. Dumplings I've had before. And I love them as well, so let's try
This
it.
one looks different though.
This gravy is really good, like it complements the meal really well. So I think either the sauce or the pork is cooked in beer. I've also got this like cabbage that comes with mine.
Truly delicious. It's like mac and cheese, so if you like that, you will like this one.
I'm feeling so full. I think I might have eaten one too many sausage sandwiches this morning because I've just had the whole pork plate and I'm stuffed. Charlene wants to get a dessert now,
Yeah,
but I'm out. You can have one if you want. I've got nowhere to fill it.
So for me, this is the best part of the meal. They have apple strudel here. Originally, this is from Austria, but in South Germany, they have it everywhere. So, let's try it. Here we have 2 pieces. We got some panna and 1 scoop of ice cream. Wow, it's very soft. Oh my god, and it's warm. This is a real treat. I think this is one of the best desserts that I ever had in my life. It melts in your mouth. It's so good. And you can truly taste the apple and the delicious, I don't know, cream, what there is inside of it. Super, super, super.
So that was a really delicious meal. The restaurant was quite good actually. It only cost us about 42 euros in total.
Really?
So
42?
quite reasonable. The
Wow.
pork was delicious and I'm sure yours was as well.
Yes, yes. And the strudel, perfection.
My only problem is that this morning I went a bit crazy with the sausages and the bread. And I'm a bit stuffed now, so I didn't even eat much of the strudel, but it did taste amazing.
I had it all.
So we're done now in Berchtesgaden and we're just heading back to the van. I think that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching something different. Let us know in the comments if you like to see these type of videos as well. And we'll see you in the next one.
Yes, bye-bye.
Radio up and the blinds put down. You love it when nobody's around.